This is weirder than weird.
Birds of a feather flock together. I'm allergic to feathers.
That's helpful.
Tell me about it. These birds are only part of the problem.
Where is he? He should have been here by now. What the?
Where's that bird-brained Mr. Pigeon?
He's gotta be here somewhere. So much for the element of surprise.
Adrian will wear your derby on our next advertising campaign.
Awesome job, Marinette. Sorry, I'm allergic to feathers.